kung hindi niyo po alam sinasabi namin, research niyo na lang po ano yung mga pinag-uusapan natin. Kaya siya very, very napapanahon. But the question is, why are you, both you and you, passionate about talking about this?
Mm.
Well, we made a movie about it. That's
Yes,
why, I mean,
yes.
the topic of the movie revolves around some of these unspoken things na nangyayari sa industry behind the scenes with regards to artists.
Mm-hmm.
And we've had real experiences with some of these topics. You know, we know a lot of peers and people that have experienced it. And I guess when we came up with the concept of the movie, we wanted to obviously be creative and showcase Filipino talent,
Mm-hmm.
but also tell a meaningful story with a message that can enlighten and maybe empower
Mm.
younger artists. So that's why we're passionate about it. Because kung kami-kami lang ang nakakaalam, parang
Which is
sayang naman share the info, and so that people have awareness and people don't have to walk down the same dark paths as maybe someone else before them. And
Yes.
then so easy to tear people down online now, but they have no idea what these people have to go through sometimes.
You can't really talk to anybody kasi kung magsalita ka sa news or something, or kung magsalita ka sa either company or artist or tao na they're doing something bad to you, parang they'll blacklist you. So, it's like we'll make a movie na lang para makikita talaga ng tao ano nangyayari, di ba?
But I feeling ko kasi it's one thing to experience it, but it's another thing to actually get your creative hats on and like, I will make fucking film about. Alam mo yun? Kumbaga, parang lahat naman, I'm sure a lot of the artists are, dami natin kaibigang artista tsaka mga showbiz people, pero takot yung mga yung magsalita.
Because it's like, don't bite the hand that feeds you.
Can I just share some things na parang, because some people might be aware that we also, I've been a K-pop fan since 2003. We
Oh
would
gosh.
scout minors, actual literal minors, train them, and then the contract will be like 15, 20 years. And then in 2009, there was a very, very prominent boy group na yung tatlo sa kanila parang kumalas. And then since then, nagkaroon na ng law na 7 years na lang. But they have a lot of that. And even like yung inhumane training, na po pag-uusapan natin. Kasi the reason why we also wanted to talk, deep dive, I wanted to do a deep dive on this kasi alam ko maraming taong gustong sumikat, mag-artista, 'di ba? Pero bago nyo po kayo pumirma ng kontrata dyan, makinig muna kayo dito sa podcast na to. Kasi hindi nyo alam ang pinapasok nyo hanggat hindi nyo alam yung mga baho na meron sa industriya. And we will be talking about that more sa pagbabalik po ng Think Talk Tea.